Hi guys, and this is my second video on YouTube. And so today's topic I'm gonna speak. As I said, that I'm gonna give you like informational and sometimes maybe whatever I like. So like today I wanted to guys tell you that the gym versus yoga. So I have experienced both of them. Like I have also done yoga for the last 3-4 months, and right now I'm doing it's not basically gym, it is a strength training, and I have also done before a gym. So I wanted to know what is the difference. So now at this point I've understood what is the difference. So I wanted to just share. If you guys are like between 20 to 25 age, I think you must watch this video. So I wanted to tell you guys that whatever things that I have noticed in me, whatever changes that I have seen in me, so I wanted to tell you that. So let's begin this video. Firstly, thank you so much if you are watching this video. I really appreciate. So yeah, so first thing is, let's start with yoga. Okay, so in yoga I have like I went for a Iyengar yoga. So kaisa tha, abhi I'll explain. So Iyengar yoga is kind of, they don't make you do forcefully for your body. Instead of that, they use a props. That is the thing. So using those props you can do that more easily. So that, which is a very great thing, it was a very beneficial. But if you are looking for a weight loss and if you are very heavy as a body, then it is slightly difficult, because it is more over focusing on your spine and focusing on bending things like stretching, and mostly it is for flexibility. Yoga is all about flexibility and it is good for healthcare, and that is the thing. So I did it for 4-5 months. It was great, it was really nice. So I didn't had any agenda of losing weight, because I was not that fat, so I was like normal girl. But I always had an issue about the belly fat. So I had a belly fat which was troubling me, and so I wanted to, that is the only thing that bothered me. तो अभी क्या करने का मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था. देन आई स्टार्टेड योगा एंड हेल्थ वाइज इट वॉज वेरी गुड. आई हैड नो, मतलब ऐसा पीरियड्स का कोई इश्यूज़ नहीं थे, बट समटाइम्स इट यूज़ टू गेट डिलेड. बट व्हेन आई यूज़ टू डू योगा, इट यूज़ टू sorry, it used to come time to time. So like if it starts with 25, it will end with it will again start at 25 only of the next month. So the routine was really nice. My hair growth were really nice, because we used to do rope shirsasan, which used to help my hair growth. Because last year in November I had really bad hair loss. So due to that I had took lot of medicines also, and after that I joined yoga, and it really helped me that even my hair growth. So right now this is my hair length and this is my hair growth, and hair growth had was the major difference that I saw. And next thing I saw is uh, like I was very active. Everything, yoga is a very good thing. I'm telling you, it's the best thing. Okay, if you practice it more, if you've been deep in that, it is very good. But after like 4-5 months of, I was not that regular, to be honest. Starting I was, but I used to go like weekly 2 times, 3 times, which was but still it was beneficial. So overall it was great. I really liked it. But the thing was, I wanted those muscles, because everyone are attracted to pull-ups, and everyone wants to do push-ups. So those things you can't do in yoga. Yoga is completely different than whatever gym things do. In gym you take weights and all, so those will help you to gain those muscles, and through those muscle you can do those pull-ups, push-ups and all those things. So I wanted to give a try for it. So this month, May month, I joined strength training, which was like, I don't know, high rocks they said. So it was like a high rocks training, but not like more advanced. It was like a normal people, where everyone do together, not like gym, like individual how we do in gym. It's not like that. It is like a group class, so everyone has to do whatever they tell us. So it's not, it's very nice. So everything happens there. So the here the routine was like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is like full workouts, like the strength training workouts, and Thursday we have one thing like a fun, like sometimes it is Zumba, sometimes it is yoga, sometimes it is something called as forest training, which is also really great. So all this exercise made me feel like very much active. Everything was great, to be honest. I was very regular this month, and almost for this month I missed only 3 days. But the things that I noticed that I wanted to tell is, first thing is hair loss started again. I was wondering that I am being very regular to the gym. Okay, about healthy food, I was not so particular about it. I used to eat junk here and there, but I was trying to eat the home food, which I used to do earlier also. And I was doing so many things till why the hair loss has started. Also, my periods were not on time. I'm thinking, what is the problem? So I just got and I just searched. And when I searched it, then I got to know that it's because I am giving physical stress more, and like there is no any protein I am giving to my body. So you're doing workout this level and you're giving food for your body this level. So they both are not in the same level. That's the reason somewhere it's affecting, and it's affecting to my hair. So I was like, okay, so this is the problem. So I thought firstly that gym is the problem or what. This is not suiting me or what. But it was not like that, because yoga is like a slow process. There you don't need anything. Like a normal food is also fine. Okay, nothing will happen because you mainly focus on that blood flow and all these things. But here in gym or strengthening, we focus more on like building the muscles and building the strength. And when you do those heavy workouts and when you don't give that much protein to your body, somewhere or the other way it will lag. Okay, when you put all your food energy in your muscles, your hair, your nails won't get those nutrients. So I was like, okay, fine, so this is the difference. So right now what is the conclusion is that if you want to do gym or strength training, all this calisthenic and all, you need to eat protein diet. Like every meal has, you need to have protein. I think I'll start it from another few days, because this is the month observation that I've done. So I wanted to restart it, and lot of water. I was not drinking enough water. That was the major thing. So like now I'm gonna, like, the things that I need to change in my diet is add protein in each meal, drink a lot of water, and also I need to start like having fiber, so that whatever training I'm doing, it needs to get like utilized. Otherwise, I'll get some side effects of it. So that's what I observed in this. Um, so even if you're trying any kind of source, so if your intention is not for muscle train, please go yoga. It's the best thing. And if you don't like doing diets and all, yoga is the best thing, and it's great for you guys. But if you want a muscle training, you wanted to do pull-ups, push-ups and all those things, for that you need to do like strength training, and you need to have that protein. See, you can do it through yoga also, but obviously yoga is just your body relaxing, you're making your mind fresh, which is a great. I think you're about 20, 30, you should definitely join yoga, as I feel. And if you're like, I am no one to tell you, but I'm just telling by my experience. And first second thing is like, I think you need to, if you're like age between 18 to 25, I think muscle training is better for now. So please eat protein diet. Even I have not started yet. I want to really start. I know everyone are attracted towards the junk food, but yeah, even I'm gonna slowly start. Maybe let's start together. Even you guys start. Even you guys tell me how you guys have changing your life and all those things. Even I will tell you in my future videos. So this is what I wanted to tell, whatever I observed in things, so that you guys also will know that what is better for your body. Everyone does some and even you get a lot of pimples and all, I didn't mention, because your skin is not getting anything enough. Your body is just, everything that you're eating is just, you're burning out, so you're not getting enough thing for your hair and skin. Those all things you need to eat well. So that is one important thing that I've noticed. Right now I have a really bad hair loss. It's going, how I used to get last year, it's repeating right now. So I want to just slow down and make some things change in my diet. So in maybe next video I'll tell you once I get those results. And if you guys I don't know who people are gonna watch this, but whoever wants to know, just comment down and let me know, like, do you want to see the process or how it is. And there are many things I really want to start. I'm starting slowly. So yeah, so this was the video, and this is wanted, I wanted to share you. So because I just now observed it, and it's a very recent one. So that's it for this video. I think it really helped you guys, especially between the age of 18 to 25. um, Please watch more videos, and if you're joining gym and all, please don't take it lightly. You need to work on it. It's a process and it takes slow, and to adapt also it take time, but take your time, but please do workouts. And even I'm trying, even I'm like you only, even I eat junk, even I'm like, I have a lot of like sugar cravings. But yeah, slowly we need to try to get that good skin. Right now the skin, I think so, because of lightning you're maybe seeing the good skin, but actually I have a really bad skin. Maybe skin care will be in next video, some other video. So that's all guys, thank you so much, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm new to this. And I'm trying to be regular, and as many videos I can post, I'm trying to post. That's it. Thank you so much guys, bye bye.